Hello, everyone. This is Reid Hepler. This is the revised video log of my second iteration of my first experiment with the Nile repository, which I'm using now for EDLT 6680. I changed my question per Dr. Wiley's suggestion. This was the one that I had originally asked, but I had framed it a little bit wrong in the experiment log. But I thought, since I'm doing this validly, I'll redo the experiment log. I asked people what their most concerning issue was regarding OER use and creation in the context of education. Faculty, librarians who would help faculty find OER, all sorts of people who were stakeholders in the OER process. I even asked some students, including I used myself, and I used some of my coworkers who were also students at CSI. What was your main fear or reservation regarding OER use? And still, discoverability was a major deterrent, and also peer review, as I stated last time. But the two biggest responses were peer review, if it was valid, and discoverability. So both of those things are going to be answered and helped by the repository. So I'm going to persevere in the repository idea. I'm going to stress discoverability, findability, kind of making tags or ensuring the metadata is accurate and will help people find what they're looking for, ensuring that there are different types of metadata depending on what people will most likely search for, and then also make sure that there's a system for peer review. I've already talked to Greg Wilson at CWI, and we're going to kind of find a way to increase the workability and therefore the peer review process. So we're going to work on findability and peer review. I've talked to several people at CSI who will help with the peer review process and make sure that subjects are covered accurately and thoroughly. I want to make sure that we have a wide range of subjects and topics. And so I've reached out to multiple faculty members, and they assure me that they will be able to, that they're open to letting their resources be used in this repository, and that they will acquire resources from others that are found in this repository. So it should be a fairly productive and useful tool.